word causative verb make, so this can be only followed only by a clause in the active voice. It is stronger than have or get. It means you are forcing someone. इससे पहले जब you are asking about have or get, तो वो एक they were more lenient means of expressions, or it can be either followed by active or passive. However, जब आप make के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो make is more stronger than have or get, and it actually means you're forcing someone, and it's only followed by the active clause. इसका sentence construction ऐसे होगा कि there is a subject followed by a make, and again it can be any tense, followed by a complement which can be any person for that matter. This will be followed by a verb in the simple form. So the sentence will look like, the robber made the teller give him the money. The robber made the teller give him the money. So the robber forced the teller actually to give him the money. It's not a request, it's not you are asking someone, it's just the mere force. Note, force plus complement is verb in the infinitive form. When the word force and the complement comes, then you have a verb in the infinitive form. जब हमने यहाँ पे forced का word इस्तेमाल किया है अपने expression को इस्तेमाल दिखाने के लिए, because made is actually is you are forcing someone. But when the word force comes followed by a complement, in that case आपके पास जो verb form है that will be in the infinitive form, and it's no longer a simple form verb. इसको हम examples में further reinforce करते